more combo. Shout out to Amazon because I purchased this at 2:30 p.m. and it was at my front door 3 hours later at 5:30 p.m. I can't wait to get out there and test it out and see everything that it can do. But I thought before I did that, let's do an unboxing video and see all the contents that come inside. So let's check it out. Okay, so I'm just going to open up this box. First thing I'm going to notice, there's a little bit of packaging in there, and then everything comes inside the case, as you can see here. So I'm going to scoot the box to the side here. And this is the carrying case, the shoulder bag that it comes with, as you can see here. So let's unzip it and take everything out one by one. Let's go through it. So the first thing I'm going to pull out here is the actual drone itself. Look how small and compact this is. That's the first thing that jumps out to me. Literally fits in the palm of my hand. So it comes with this propeller holder strap all the way around it. And then also the gimbal itself is enclosed with this gimbal protector. The next item that we're going to pull out here is the remote controller. So it comes in this clear plastic packaging, as you can see here. So let's pull it out. It comes out pretty easily. This is the DJI controllers. If you're looking for the joysticks, they're actually on the bottom, so I will take those out and plug them in. Okay, so the next thing that I'm going to see once I open the inside of the bag here is this black box, and has a bunch of accessories inside of here. So the first thing I'm going to pull out is this is the battery kit here. So this is basically the two-way charging hub and the 3 external batteries. If you weren't aware, traditionally with the drone itself, you only get one battery. One battery itself is actually inside the drone, so the extra 2 are here, and this is a two-way charging hub. And by that, I mean when the batteries are inside of this hub and they're plugged in and they're charged up, you could actually use one of these as an out and charge your cell phone from here as well. So not only can you charge the batteries through this hub, all 3 at one time, but you can also charge your phone externally. So the next item that's actually inside of this box that is kind of connected to the smart controller is the connection cords. So these are the cords that you would use to actually mount a device to the top of the smart controller. You have a bunch of different options because you get a bunch of different cords in here. So you can connect devices that connect to micro USB, USB-C, or the lightning cord. The next device that they give you inside of the box is a cord to charge the actual smart controller itself. You're able to charge it via USB-C. And then to go along with that, DJI gives you the DJI 18-watt USB charger, as you can see here. And that is all the contents inside of this box. So tucked away in the top portion of this carrying shoulder bag here, they actually have a little compartment, as you can see I'm unzipping, and inside of there they have the spare propellers and some screwdrivers and some screws to actually replace if you ever happen to break any of the propellers on the drone itself. Inside here you have this black packaging as well, and this is going to be the quick start guide, so if you need any specific questions you may have about the device or likely registering it as well, you can do it all from here. And that's going to be all of the contents inside of the bag. And certainly, last but not least, I have to talk about the shoulder bag itself. So as you can see, I just pulled all of these items in here outside of the bag. So everything I know for sure can fit compactly nice inside of this little shoulder strap bag. You're obviously able to hold it on your shoulder and just take it around with you. So this is super small and compact, and one of the main draws and features to the Mini itself. And I'm super excited to get it out there and get flying. So thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.